Today we will continue about nucleic acid metabolism. And first, I want to say that when we talk about metabolism of nucleic acids, we talk about either salvage pathway or degradation pathway. So, when you break down nucleic acids, it first will become purine or pyrimidine, right? And it will be AMP and GMP. So after that, you do dephosphorylation, you remove phosphate group, and then you remove sugar group. So you remove ribose sugar, and then it becomes adenosine. After that, you make hypoxanthine and xanthine from adenosine or guanosine, right? So for adenosine, you need one more extra step. You form inosine first, and then from that intermediate product, you make hypoxanthine and xanthine. From guanosine, you directly make hypoxanthine or you make xanthine. So for that, from here and out, you can make either salvage pathway where you made IMP, and then from IMP, as we mentioned, you can make either GMP or AMP to make nucleic acid then, right? So after that, you used sufficient amount of IMP to remake your nucleic acid, right? Other hypoxanthines that you don't need anymore, you can remove it by making uric acid, right? So it will be removed by your kidneys through your urine. So if it will like salvage pathway, we use 90% of the time, and other 10% of the time we remove it. Only small amount of uric acid able go through kidneys and be removed by your urine. If you have some complication here, something deficient here, you will make a lot of uric acid. So this excess amount of uric acid will be accumulating, right? First of all, it will accumulate in your joints, making gout, and in your kidneys, making stones, right? So to prevent that, you have to inhibit xanthine oxidase enzyme here and here. To do that, you use allopurinol or febuxostat. It is pathognomonic treatment for gout. For symptomatic treatment, for flares treatment, you use NSAIDs, right? So what are diseases that will contribute to uric acid accumulation? It's HGPRT deficiency, hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyl transferase deficiency, which is essential for making IMP. So you have near to complete deficiency of this enzyme, and therefore you will make a lot of uric acid, and this uric acid will accumulate all over the place, not only joints and kidneys, right? And first of all, it will accumulate in your basal ganglia, and therefore spastic cerebral palsy will occur. In your cerebral cortex, mental retardation will occur. In your muscles, in your fingers in particular, in your lips, and it will cause self-mutilation where you bite your fingers, right, and lips. It's so pathognomonic for Lesch Nyhan syndrome. They will specify this in STEM. So this first thing, and other thing is adenosine deaminase deficiency is also really important, really high yield for USMLE, because accumulation of adenosine is really toxic for your B and T cells. And because of that, you will have deficiency of B and T cell, and it will cause severe combined immunodeficiency syndrome, where you have combination deficiency of T and B cells, and therefore kid will have a variety of diseases with fungi, with viruses, with bacteria, right?